Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I wanted to kind of pack with you guys. We're going to pack together all the makeup that I will be taking on vacation. So if you don't know, I am on my way right now as you're seeing this video back home to Utah. That is where I am from, and we are visiting for 3 weeks. Me and the kids are staying for 3 weeks because that's where grandma, grandpa, family are. And since my kids are on vacation, I was like, you know what, we are going to extend our stay. And so we need some makeup. So with that said, make sure you're comfortable, put your sweatpants on, of course, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into today's video. Besides packing makeup, I'm also going to show you guys the 2 Dossier perfumes that I will be taking with me because, of course, I want to be smelling delicious all day, anywhere I go. It was really hard to narrow it to 2 perfumes, but I think I got it. I thought of it in the way where I'm going to use one during the day and then one during the night. So for my daytime everyday perfume, I figured I would take Floral Violet with me. I believe this one is inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself in the screen. But this one smells great. It's very fresh, very floral. Literally every time I wear this and I am anywhere near anybody, I get complimented on how good I smell, and it's because of this baby. So this is going to be my go-to perfume, my everyday perfume that I will wear every single day. And then for the nighttime, if we go on a date or if we go out to parties with friends, things like that, I figured I would take something a little bit more sexy, a little bit more musky. So I'm taking Ambery Vanilla, and this one is inspired by YSL's Opium. It's a very sexy, rich perfume that just screams night. So I figured I would take this one with me. Definitely check out Dossier if you haven't already, because you can get these perfumes for yourself at a fraction of a price. You can also use my discount code. I believe it's Karina5 for 5% off your order, and literally you can take these to go and smell delicious everywhere and not worry about paying luxury prices, because Dossier has them for you for a fraction of the price. And if you guys are interested in knowing more about this brand and my most complimented scents, click on this video right here because I did a whole dedicated video to Dossier. So with that said, let's move on to the makeup. So first things first, let's start with primer. Like I said, I'm trying to be as what the heck was that? I'm trying to be as minimal as I possibly can. I am going to take my absolute favorite combo at the moment, which is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. Literally, I am almost out of this. If you guys can see that, I am more than likely going to be picking one up very, very soon, maybe even when I'm in town. And then I'm also going to be taking the One Size Secure the Sweats. I'm taking this kind of as a backup. Utah has more of a dry weather and I tend to get really dry out there, so my oily skin isn't as crazy, but I just want to have this in case, you know. And then for sure the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. This is a staple in my collection. I ran out of the original one, so now I'm just trying to use this tube. So I'm gonna use my little Victoria's Secret bag that I have here, and because it does have little slots, I like to just kind of put them in here, and they do stay pretty neat, which is nice. So those are, oh, I gotta close this. Those are the primers I'm taking. For my foundation, again, trying to be minimalist. I know what foundation I love and trust, and it is the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm sure if you watch me, you know that this is my holy grail foundation. I can totally get rid of all my foundations and just have this one. This is in the shade Warm Beige, and this one is the foundation that just makes my skin look so good. If I am breaking out, if I get texture, if I have dry patches, anything like that, I know this foundation is not going to fail me. She's that girl, so I'm gonna take her. I do want to take a more mattifying foundation, and for that I wanted something that was going to be full coverage, super matte, and super long wearing, which is the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation. This is the one that I'm wearing right now in the shade Oatmeal Blend. It is so pretty on the skin. Like I said, it's full coverage and it's super, super matte. So I just want to, be sure So we're gonna go ahead and pack that one. I don't know where the lid is to my Frankie Rose foundation, so I'm gonna pack it in there for now, and then I'll have to search for it before we leave. For my concealer, I am only taking one because concealer is one of those things that you can't go wrong with, in my opinion. I am for sure taking a color corrector, LA Colors, or LA Girl, sorry, Pro Conceal in the peach corrector. This is like my BFF. And then the concealer that really just stood out to me, that checked off pretty much every box on my list, is the Natasha Denona Y9 concealer. This one is creamy, it's rich, it's hydrating, it's full coverage, and it doesn't crease on me nearly as much as all my other concealers. So for that, she gets to come traveling with me. So we're gonna go ahead and take Natasha Denona and LA Girl. For my setting powders, I am taking 3, and let me explain why. This might be a little bit extra, but I love the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. This is my holy grail. It just looks amazing, okay, in the shade Cassava Yellow. And then for all over the face, because my skin looks so smooth and it feels like a baby's butt, it's because I've been using the MAC Studio Fix Pro Set and Blur. This stuff is mwah, chef's kiss. I love the little esponjita that it comes with. It makes me feel like, you know, those Korean girls that tap in their foundation like this. Literally, I feel like that when I'm applying this. But this is what I've been using to set my skin, and I've been loving it. But I also wanted to take a powder foundation for the days that maybe I don't feel like wearing a full coverage foundation and I just kind of want something quick, or I want a little extra coverage. I'm going to take my One Size Beauty Turn Up the Base in the shade Medium 4G. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the powder foundation, and I'm going to take it right behind my concealers. And then I'm going to put these at the front because more than likely these are harder to break. And just kind of apply it there. For my bronzers, I'm only taking one cream bronzer, and that of course is the Rare Beauty Always Sunny bronzer stick. This is my absolute go-to, most favorite, most used cream bronzer. And then I was trying to think what kind of bronzer I wanted to take. I really wanted to take the MAC Give Me Sun because that's just my baby. But I also wanted to have a different shade of bronzer and a contour. So the One Size Beauty is the bronzer, contour, and everything. This is the Made for Shade Medium Trio, and it's such a good product, and it has a mirror in it, which is definitely a bonus. So I'm actually going to take this behind the primers. So just like that, I think I am pretty happy with how this is looking. Let's talk blush. I'm taking 2 cream blushes. I am taking the She Glam Cream Blush in Love Cake, which is a really pretty pink. I think this is perfect because I can get pink or a peachy one. So for the peachy one, I'm taking the Rare Beauty Peace blush, and this one is a mini, so it's going to fit perfectly up here. I'm going to put these up at the top, just right there. By the way, by the end of like the second day, my makeup is a complete mess, so this is not going to look like this at all. And then for highlighter, I'm taking a liquid highlighter. The Juvias Place in Egyptian Glow has been my absolute obsession. I'm sure you guys have catched on. And then I'm also taking one packed highlighter, which is Rare Beauty in Exhilarate. This is my favorite combo at the moment, so we're gonna take that one. Taking Rare Beauty up here, and then, or sorry, Juvia's Place, and then Rare Beauty. And that is the base. We have that down. For my skincare products, I haven't fully put everything. I'm gonna have to do that later, but I'm just quickly gonna show you like my moisturizers, the ones that I keep up here. I'm gonna take my MAC Hyper Real Serumizer Skin Balancing Serum. This one has been my absolute go-to. It really hydrates my skin and it doesn't irritate it because it's very gentle. And then my moisturizer, I'm taking this one by La Roche-Posay. It's the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. This one's perfect for oily and combination skin, and I love how like compact it is. It's going to be so easy to take. And of course, I have to take sunscreen. So I'm also taking this one by La Roche-Posay Ultralight Light Fluid Sunscreen. This is so good if you have oily skin. It's not heavy, it's very liquidy, and so it quickly absorbs into the skin. So let's go ahead and take the moisturizers. I'm going to take them right here and right there. For my blush, I couldn't decide what I wanted to take, so I am only going to take one blush palette, and I don't think I'm going to regret it. So this is the Blushing Bubbles by Metamorphosis. It also has a mirror, which is another reason why I'm taking it, and it comes with pink blushes as well as my favorite like peachy toned blush, which is going to match the liquid blushes that I will be taking. And I am only taking one eyeshadow palette, and that is the Makeup by Mario Master Matte. So we're going to take those, and those I will put behind the moisturizers. Of course, I gotta pack my little powder puffs, so those I think I'm gonna put them in this little pouch right here. I used to carry my jewelry in here, but I actually bought like a little carrying jewelry thing. I'm also going to take my Elemis Naked Cleansing Balm. This is like a mini one, and it's pretty full, so I should be good for the 3 weeks if I'm wearing makeup often. And then I'm also taking my eye cream from e.l.f. This is the Holy Hydration Eye Cream. Of course, we need that, so let's zip her up. For my lipsticks, I'm going to take like my go-to lip combos that I know will go with like anything I wear. So I'm taking my ABH Cool Brown Lip Liner, my Morphe Bite Me Lip Liner. I'm also taking this whole collab because it's been really good. It's the Orpha and a Dose of Colors. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to take my two favorite lipsticks from Morphe, First Base and Commit, and then my MAC Locked Kiss ink in Teaser. I always end up like makeup shopping over there. Bad habit, I know, but we're going to go ahead and pack all that in here. That should all fit here just fine. I'm also going to add in this Forget the Filler from Lawlets. It's a lip plumping line smoothing gloss. I like to use this one on the day so I'm not really wearing makeup. And then I'm also taking my Fruit Fetish from Milani. This one is like my absolute go-to. As you can see, I'm like almost out of it. I use this one when I'm like doing my makeup as like, you know, to set it, not to set it, but just to prep the lips. For my brows, I'm taking my absolute most needed must-have, which is the NYX Thick It Stick It. I'm taking this little spoolie, and then my brow glue from Ardell, as well as my NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pen. This is what I use to like create faux hairs. And I also use this one. It's a tattoo brow tint pen, which I've been using a lot for the front of my hairs just to make them look a little bit more realistic. So these should fit right here, like at the top. Kind of messy, but there you go. Of course, we can't forget setting spray. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter. And then for lashes, I am going to take the She Lash Lashes Shibuchona collection, but more than likely I will be wearing lash extensions. I have been trying these out by the brand Urban Doll. And these are lash extensions that's supposed to last you 2 weeks. So I'm thinking I'm going to just take these or put them on maybe the day before and just not worry about applying falsies, but I'm going to take these as a backup because these are my favorite. Love them. That is everything I will be taking as far as makeup. As you can see, I made it all fit, which was my goal. I mean, she's a little thick, but she fits. And this will go in my suitcase, which will be checked in so I don't have to worry about anything. For my brushes, I didn't want to overcomplicate myself, so I'm just going to take the entire collection of my Jessup and Morphe brushes. So these are the Ariel, and then these are the Jessup. This is Ariel, this is Jessup. All these are Jessup, and I'm going to take this one as a foundation. This is the Energy Angled Kabuki. I bought this off of Amazon. So these are gonna go in this little bag right here with my lashes that didn't fit. Actually, I'm gonna switch it to one that is a little bit smaller. I think that one's just a little too big, so I'm gonna switch it to this. I'm gonna add this one, the Real Techniques 242. This one just came back in stock. As you can see, this one is perfect for concealer, and I've been loving it so much. So I'm gonna add that. For my eye brushes, again, I'm just going to play it safe and take my entire Just Up collection amongst the Makeup by Ariel. So this is what they look like. By the way, I am going to wash these before I leave. I'm just pretty much packing with you guys. The only extra brushes that I will be adding on here are these two, and these are my nose contouring brushes. I live and ride for these hard, so these have to come with me. And then for my makeup sponges, I'm only going to be taking two. I'm going to take this one from Juvias Place. I really love this one to get right into the corners. I just washed this one, so I do have to wait for it to dry, but I will be taking this one. And then I'm also going to be taking just a regular sponge. This one is from Amazon, and I love how bouncy they are, so taking that as well. I will also be adding my mascara and eyeliner in here. This is my favorite for my lower lashes, the Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and then the Maybelline Curl Bounce. I've been really loving this one as of late. And then my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, just to throw it in there. I will also be throwing in there some lash like tweezers, and then just this Tres Luce eyeliner, which is for the waterline. So I believe that is everything, you guys. I hope I'm not missing anything, and if I did miss anything, let me know in the comments what I missed or what you would take. So it's one bag and then this other one, so two makeup bags, which I know is a little bit extra, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Oh my gosh, this is already heavy. So anyways, that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for packing my makeup with me. Don't forget to check out Dossier and use my discount code to save more money. I will have them linked in my description box down below. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.